Goodbye, Scandal. Paalis na naman kami as usual. Ganito talaga. So, sabi ko kay Rod, ayokong magluto because punta kami sa Udon. Nagpunta na kami dati doon and it's our second time to go there with Anna. Ang aming paboritong burger place. Mga 20 minutes. 20 minutes na doon or 15?
Yeah, no, 20.
Anna, say hi to the vlog. Hello.
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 Hi guys.
Yun, nag-hi guys na po siya. Ito na rin resulta pag nagva-vlog ang mama eh. So, what's up, madlang people, char. Kumusta mo mga gang? Nag-live pala ako kanina, no? I did live earlier on YouTube. Oh no, not YouTube, Facebook. On the Facebook page. And one of my friends who is based in Dubai contacted me earlier and sabi niya, i-change ko daw ang aking YouTube na channel. Palagi ko na lang change yun. Ilang beses ko na na-change but makes sense din yung advice niya. So, instead, yung aming family channel, it's gonna be changed to Pinoy Dutch family vlogs. So, yun yung sabi ng friend ko na mas maganda daw, ganyan, kasi family vlogs yung pinapakita ko. So, yun. And, basically, mati-change yun ang ating Facebook page, no, na pangalan, Pinoy Dutch Family Vlogs na. So, yun. So, I think by the time this is uploaded, maybe mga 2 weeks later pa to, kasi yung vlog ko this week iba eh. So, next week pa di eh. Next week pa to. What's the date today, Dudong? July? Huh?
1st of August.
Aguy!
Yeah.
It's already August di eh.
August, holiday month.
Ayun na. It's August 1 and 2 more weeks and we're going on vacation. Vacancy.
Vakantie, ja.
2 weeks na lang po and isasama ko kayo sa aming biyahe. So yun. Chikahan ko kayo mamaya about sa appointment ko sa sa physio. Physio is like a physical therapy to?
Ja.
Yeah. Physio.
Fysiotherapeut.
Huh?
Fysiotherapeut. Like
What?
somebody
What?
Physiotherapeut. That's the one we call the guy who that.
Physiotherapy.
Yeah, or physiotherapy. That's the therapy.
Physiotherapy, yun yung physical
Physiotherapist,
therapy.
the woman or the guy. doing
Okay, yeah, okay. What's he doing?
He's not.
Too late.
Yeah, I know.
There was a car in front of us and then hindi clear yung signal na niya. Magra-right pala siya. So, yun. Physiotherapist
Yeah.
means physical therapist. So anyway, chikahan ko kayo mamaya update sa aking kasi na-mention ko siya sa aking vlog last week. Yun. About sa aking watch out pa. About sa aking tennis arm. But the therapist earlier mentioned another term. She said, yeah, you can look more into it. She gave me a card, but I'm not sure if she wrote it. Malapit na sana yung bakasyon ko. Sabi ko nga, baka kaya pa. Mga 2 weeks na lang naman kasi yung trabaho. So, magbabakasyon kami ng 3 weeks. So, I can rest my arm for 3 weeks. Ganyan. Pero hindi na kaya ng arm ko. Masakit na talaga siya. So, yun. I had to go today. I had to go earlier.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, babe.
Guys, kinuha ni Ana yung aking relo. Gusto niya. Why? Parang, di mo siga?
Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up night and day. All the fun.
Parking na kami. Malapit kami sa sentrum talaga. Nasa kami. Ang town is called Udon. So, dyan kami magpapark. Dito na kami. Let's go. Go. Sapot si Ana kasi gusto niya yung phone ko eh.
I was with the parking.
So, andito na kami sa sentrum. Yeah, let's go. Lapit na kami sa burger place. Nakakahiya no mag-vlog, magdakad-dakad na mag-vlog ba.
Waffe. Doei Jan.
Het is een hond, Anna.
Ik zie waar hij staat.
Yeah? Nice, no? Oh, may mga paganyan sila dito. Ito yung aming paboritong burgeran dito. Take a burger. And let me just say, the burger here is better than McDonald's.
Ja, better
No?
quality.
Yeah, really.
Krijgen jullie geld van YouTube?
Sorry? Ja, ja.
Ja, maar een heel klein beetje.
Ja, een beetje.
Leuk.
Anyway, kuha ni among burger. Yep. What's this to do?
Double American.
Double American or American burger. Fries. Rodot is already eating. Eet smakelijk.
Wat smakelijk.
Ana.
Anna, kijk ze mama.
Naubos na.
A few moments later.
So, galing na kami doon and hindi ako masyado nakapag-film doon kasi Nita. Kasi malakas yung kanilang music doon, baka makapiright ako. And may mga batang sa akin. Lumapit sa akin, sabi niya, YouTuber ka ba? Sabi ko, oh, pero maliit lang yung oh, nay. Nag-ice cream kasi si Ana. Sabi ko, maliit lang na channel ba? Sa Ana Star. Pero sila, chinek nila yung aking channel. So, sabi ko, hindi nyo naman maiintindihan because I speak another language there, not Dutch. Medyo English tsaka ibang labas sa ibang language ba. So, mag-walking muna kami. And change namin ang diaper ni Ana and then after that, magdakad-lakad kami dito ba.
Eén, twee. Orange, red, purple.
What? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Oh, Mama. Tinuro niya, sabi niya Mama daw. Wow. What? Yeah, Mama is here. Lowbat na yung aking camera. So, phone na ang ating gamit ngayon. So, medyo shaky siya, no? Oh, nee. Is the baby crying pa? So, may mga paganito sila dito. Oh, nakapunta na din kami dito dati. And then, Anna was running around.
Thuis.
Sena?
Thuis.
Oh, nee. Hinahanap niya yung aso ng lulot-lula niya eh.
Bloem?
Wow.
Daar?
Malandin sila dito. Parang nasa Vietnam lang.
Eén. Twee.
Ang ganda ng bulaklak dito, oh.
Eén.
Balloon. Balloon.
Nou. Orange. White. Gold.
Yeah, Mama will go there. Uy, ang init. Ano na dito, guys? 6:30 na ata ngayon or almost 7 o'clock. Pabalik na kami sa sa parking. But pero ibang daan yung dinadaanan namin ngayon. Shall we go back? There's nothing here. Asian flag ko but where's the Philippine flag? It's not there. May Korea. Oy. So, diba, ako yung vlogger, pero hindi naman palaging mukha ko yung nakikita pag ganito. Char. Hold Mama's hand.
Kijk eens.
Goed, mama staan.
1, 2, 3 doen? 1, 2, 3 met papa en mama? Anna?
Huh?
Anna is thuis.
I think
1, 2,
she's
3.
saying another thing. Huh? Shoes? Schoenen. Papa is schoenen.
Ah, ik zie het, zie je.
Oh, it's mama's fault. Oh, sorry. Akala namin hinahanap ni Ana yung aso ng lolo't lola niya. Sena kasi ang pangalan, guys.
Ja, maar je kat, waar is die telefoon nou altijd? Waar je nou zo doet?
Wala. Ano pala yung ibig sabihin ni
Mama
Ana?
schuld,
Schoenen. Kasi
Goed zo?
shoes. Ang Dutch ng shoes ay ano eh, schoenen. Ano siya? Schoenen. Ana? Schoenen.
Goed
Schoenen.
zo, hè? Ja. Kom maar, nou is goed, hè?
Misunderstanding
Wow.
pang.
Wow. Anna, 1, 2, 3. Maar
1,
papa,
2,
mama.
3. 1,
Anna,
2,
kom
3.
eens. Kom eens, 1, 2, 3. 1.
3! Ana. Where you
Nee,
going?
nee, nee.
No, nee. Ana. There might be a bike there to do.
Kijk eens daar.
Doei, doei! We gaan naar huis toe. Doei! Patay tayo dito. Ayaw pong umuwi ni Ana. Ano na po dito? Close na po yung mga shops. So, kaya tahimik. Pero, this is a shopping street. Ang daming shops dito. Yeah. Is that mama? Patay. Feet ko na papa.
Papa.
Sabi ni Ana, papa daw niya yan, and then mama niya yan. Patay to nun. Yeah. Okay, next time lang. Next year. Next year, maging ganyan ang katawan ni mama at ni papa. Lakad muna kami pabalik sa parking, and then kita-kita na tayo sa sa bahay.
Anna. Donut. Kijk dan.
That's donut, pang.
Donut?
Kijk.
Donut.
Donut. They also have bubble
Let's
tea.
go.
Patay. No, you already had ice, huh? Apple, yeah. Paalis na kami. Pauwi na kami ng Skindo. Dinner was good.
Very good.
As usual. Masarap dun sa burger place na yun. Pero hindi naman kami palaging pumupunta doon. Minsan-minsan lang kasi malaki yung burger. Just pag ano lang ba? Pag nag-crave lang talaga.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help.
Hi! Bye na kami! Tapos na mag-milk si Ana. Chill-chill na lang kami. And then after a bit, patutulugin na namin siya para makapag-spend na din kami ng time ng kanyang papa. Mama Agay! Buang, did you hear that? Buang!
Mama, Aguy.
Mama Agay! Mama Agay! Ana Aguy! Ana Aguy! Aguy, oy! Baby, Wow! Buang, I think she gets it from you or Opa. Like, Opa!
For me.
Apple.
Hoppa!
Abi Apple.
And only did a little bit. It's not enough for...
Agoy.
Agoy.
Agay.
Agay.
Agoy.
Agay.
Agoy. We're gonna close the vlog. Yun na yung aming pa-vlog, no? Sa araw na ito. July, August 1. Yung ichichikay ko yung about nito. Sabi ng maraming bawal siya. Bawal lang magbuhat, bawal lang mag-squeeze gamit ito. Basta may mga sinabi siya na mga bawal kong gawin. So, I just have to try. Follow lang muna natin. I have another appointment with the therapist on Thursday and 2 more next week. And because it's not included in my insurance, they're gonna bill us.
Yeah,
They're gonna send a bill.
that's true.
Yeah. So, next year, ipapa-change na namin yung aking insurance para masali na yung sa physical therapist ba. So, anyways, yun yung aming ganap. Masarap yung pagkain kanina. And yeah, sabi ko kanina, may mga batang, mga 5 yata sila. Mga batang lumapit sa akin and nagtatanong about sa aking channel ba. So, binigay ko naman. Hindi ko alam kung mapapanood nila. But anyway, if you girls are watching, hello. Thank you for saying hello earlier. At what's the name of the...
Take a burger.
Take a Burger place. So, thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you so much. Yeah, so yun lang ating pa-vlog, guys. Ana, say bye! Bye! Ana, say bye-bye!
Howdo!
Howdo!
Dudoy!
Maraming salamat sa panonood. And yeah, if may time kayo, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Binago na natin. It's Pinoy Dutch Family Vlogs. Ganon din po yung aming Facebook page. So, maraming salamat. Kita-kita na naman tayo sa susunod na video. Mush, mush, babush! Mush, mush, babush.
Mush, mush, babush!
Ang tiyang, yun. Flat ang yung abs ni Ruto. Lalalala.